Noises are coming from down here because there is no wall for a few weeks now. There was a wall over here. There's loud noises coming, and I would like to. This needs to stop. This wall is here, and this is what the false claims come from. Washer and dryer over here, and right now, loud noises, chopping, everything's coming out of here. Do you hear that? Yeah, you hear the chopping? Yep. I mean, even little noises like that too. Imagine they have loud conversations. Yeah, all that's happening.